walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of body, can tell me where you get it from. Knock by your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in me everything, but up on the call, you no look for them way. You look good enough against no matter what I can say. Put on your clothes, it's like that is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making some Jamaican oxtail. I haven't cleaned my oxtail as yet. I'm going to show you guys how I do it from start to finish. I got me some classic butter bean. I got me some garlic powder, some salt. I got some black pepper right here. Got my oxtail powdered seasoning. There you go, guys. It's a Grace brand. Got me some all-purpose powdered seasoning. You know we Jamaican love Scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a little spice. We have some allspice pimento seed. I got my fresh lemon. I'm going to show you guys how I clean my oxtail. I got these small sweet peppers. And here, I've got one small white onion. I've got me scallion and 3 cloves of garlic. I've got me 1 large carrot. I love carrot. Fresh thyme. I have browning right here to give my pot little color. Kick it off with a little flavor. I've got me some white vinegar to clean my oxtail. So guys, let's jump over to business. Now guys, I'm going to wash my oxtail. I'm just going to scrape it off, the excess fat off of it. It doesn't have a lot of fat, just scraping it off. So now guys, I'm gonna add some vinegar. Going in with my lemon. Get all that fresh lemon juice. Let's put that in there. So guys, as you can see, my oxtail is ready to be seasoned. Look, it's clean. All the excess fat is off of it. Look at that, guys. So now I'm gonna add my dry ingredients first. First, I'm gonna go in with ½ tablespoon of all-purpose powdered season. I'm gonna come up so you guys could see it. Going in with my ground black pepper. I'm gonna put all the ingredients that I use in my description box. I'm gonna put some garlic powdered seasoning. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oxtail powdered seasoning. And then I'm going to add my scallion. Just tossing it everything in. My sweet peppers. My carrots and my white onions. Then over here now, I'm going to add my allspice. Just adding a couple of allspice. So guys, my phone battery had died. So I already added all my ingredients here. I put brown in. I'm just gonna put everything in the description box so you guys could see it. And I'm just going to massage everything in. Give it a good massage, guys. So all that seasoning, all that juice goes in the bone. Take a look, guys. Take a look at my oxtail. This is my Jamaican oxtail. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna leave this to let it marinate for 2 hours time. So see you back in 2 hours time. So guys, we're back, and let's check on my oxtail. Look at it, guys, all sweating. Look at that, all sweating. So guys, I'm going to remove my oxtail. Just gonna remove it and put it in. I don't want the excess seasoning. I'm going to sear this for 5 minutes, and when it's almost cooked, I'm going to add the seasoning. Take a look at my oxtail. Look at it. Yummy. Let's go, guys. Now guys, I'm going to go with my oxtail. The pot, it was already hot. So guys, this is how it looks. I try to give it a little brown color. So it looks. This is how it looks, guys.
In that same pot that I've seasoned my oxtail in, I'm adding some water to level my oxtail so that everything can become tenderized. And I'm just gonna leave this for 30 minutes time on medium low heat. So guys, see you back in 30 minutes time.
And guys, we're back. Don't be alarmed by the oil. Oxtail do carry a lot of oil. Let me check it and see. And it looks good so far. It looks pretty good. Gonna go in with some browning. Kick it off with a little browning to give my pot a little flavor and color. As you can see, it's not cooked as yet, so I'm just gonna cover it. It has the right texture, the right color, so I'm just gonna cover this and leave it for another 30 minutes time.
And I'm going in with some hot water. Guys, don't be alarmed by the amount of water that I'm adding gradually to my oxtail. I've already well seasoned and give it a good massage. So take a look at this, guys. My oxtail is almost tender the way how I want it to be. Some oxtail are softer than some, and some you have to check in between the 30 minutes to ensure that your meat is getting tender and it's not sticking to the pot. Take a look at this, guys. My oxtail is ready. I'm going in with all my added seasoning to give my pot added flavor and spice. I can't wait to bite on my oxtail bone. I'm going in with some water. And I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes time so that all my seasoning, everything comes to a boil on low heat. So see you guys back in 10 minutes time. You can't make oxtail without adding some butterbean. This is a traditional way in Jamaica, adding butterbean to your oxtail. And I'm going to drain off the water from my butterbeans. Take a look, guys. It gives the oxtail a nice taste and texture. I love me some butter beans. So guys, take a close look at my butter beans. Let's add it to the oxtail. The oxtail is falling off the bone. Look at that, guys. Well tenderized and ready for my butter beans. Let's give this a taste test. Perfect. Going in with my butter beans now. So guys, I'm going to leave this for 5 minutes time so that everything is combined on low heat. And voila! Take a look at my Jamaican oxtail in my kitchen. Look how tender my meat is. Look at the color of my oxtail and all the other seasoning and my Scotch bonnet pepper. Everything is combined. Look at my butter beans. Ooh la la! I can't wait. A moment of silence, guys, and just look at my oxtail. My Jamaican oxtail in my kitchen. If you enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Tell me again what you want to see me cook in my kitchen. This is your girl Jody. Enjoy and try it at home. Bye, guys. Enjoy.